This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Terri Thornton. Peaceful country setting on this 7.69 acre of land. The land has several open areas with a mixture of pine and hardwood areas. A drilled well is already in place, as well as an older home that is in dire need of renovation or possibly torn down. This property would make a nice mini farm or enjoy the tranquility of rural living. Very convenient to Lake Oconee, downtown Greensboro, Union Point, I-20 and the Firefly Trail. For more information, review the details below or contact Terri Thornton at 706-252-8020.